Google just dropped something that could literally change everything. What if I told you the future of AI just took a massive leap forward, making what you thought was cutting edge yesterday look like ancient history? Stick around, because you are not going to believe what Gemini 3.1 can do. So, what exactly is Gemini 3.1? It's Google's latest and most powerful AI model, and it's a total game changer. Think of it less as an update and more as a complete revolution. Compared to its predecessors, it's not just faster or smarter, it's designed to understand context on a whole new level. The biggest breakthrough? Its massive context window. This means it can analyze incredibly long documents, entire codebases, or hours of video in a single go, solving the problem of AI forgetting what you were talking about mid-conversation. It's also multimodal, meaning it understands text, images, audio, and video all at once, seamlessly. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in how we interact with artificial intelligence. Let's see it in action. Imagine you're a developer. You can feed Gemini 3.1 an entire GitHub repository, and it can find specific bugs, suggest optimizations, and even explain complex code sections in plain English. For content creators, picture this: upload a 2-hour lecture, and instantly get a summarized blog post, a series of social media captions, and a script for a short video, all perfectly tailored. When you put it side by side with competitors like ChatGPT or Claude, Gemini's ability to process and reason over such vast amounts of information in one prompt is where it truly shines. While other models might hit a wall or lose track, Gemini 3.1 maintains context flawlessly, making it feel like you're working with a superintelligent assistant that has a perfect memory. So why does this matter to you? For developers, this means faster debugging and more efficient coding. For content creators and marketers, it's an end to tedious manual summarization and repurposing. You can now analyze market trends from massive reports in seconds. For businesses, it unlocks new possibilities in data analysis and customer support. The big question is how Gemini 3.1 can transform your workflow. This isn't just about saving time, it's about unlocking creativity and insights that were previously impossible to reach. The future is here, and it's more efficient and integrated than ever. In short, Gemini 3.1 is setting a new standard with its massive context window and powerful multimodal capabilities. This changes the game for everyone. What are your thoughts on this huge leap? Drop a comment below with how you'd use it. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech. Thanks for watching.